Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial, and in this video I will be showing you how you can recreate a 3D mockup of this coffee packaging template. Now it's really easy to do, and just in case if you have missed out on this tutorial, I recommend that you go back to this packaging section and see this tutorial first and how I created this template. And then come back here to this video where I'll be showing you how you can create a 3D mockup. Right. So what I'm going to do now, the first thing is that I have my template opened up right here. Right. I'm just going to zoom in a little. Yeah. So I'm going to select my... Okay, let me see. There's a few more changes that I have to do. First, I'm just going to click on all so that like that. Okay, so this is the front side, this is the side, this is the back side, and this is again the side panel as well, right? So what I'm going to do is, or probably this you can choose whichever one of these two is going to be the front side. Okay, so I'm going to choose with this one right here. Okay, so I'm going to just select everything by clicking onto shift, all my texts and even the background as well. I'm going to click on alt to make a copy and bring everything right here. Okay, so unfortunately that did not happen, so I'm going to select everything. I'm going to click on like this, click on alt and bring it right here like that. So we've made a copy like this. Once that's done, I will also be making a similar copy of this image and the background as well. I'm going to click on alt to make a copy and then just drag it over here on the top, or probably just leave it right here. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead, make a copy of this background as well, because I need this to make it a 3D effect like this. So I'm going to select everything on the first copy that we had made, and I'm going to group them together like this. And over here in the symbols panel, I'm just going to grab and drag this over here like this. And in the symbols option, I will be renaming this to front side, and let everything else, the settings, be the way it is, and click on OK. I'm going to do the same thing with the other as well. So this is going to be the side view as well. So I'm going to right click on this, group them together, and wait, I'm going to drag it. Yeah, I'm going to drag this one over here as well, and I'm going to rename this to be side view symbol, and click on and press enter. So now that we've got our symbols, I'm going to just delete these two. I'm going to zoom out, and temporarily I'm just going to select the template we had made and delete that for now. I'm going to come back here to my document, and I'm going to make this into a 3D form now. So I'll select my document, I'll go to effect and click on style and go to 3D and click on extrude and bevel. So over here in this position, I will be repositioning it to give it an angle so that you can see these two sides. And the extrude depth, I'm going to stick it to 750 points and click on preview to check. It looks a little too big, but also I'm just going to just remove the stroke temporarily. Go back here to 3D, extrude and bevel. Or probably I'll just stick to, let's say, bring it down to 550 points, and let me see. Okay, this looks fine to me. I'm going to go ahead and also click on map art now. So as you can see that this document you see right here in this map art, it's the same document right here which is highlighted in red. So I'm going to go ahead and add the front side of the symbols right here. And as you can see, then it gets added. So once that's done, I'm also going to check the surface as well till I get this side right here. I'm going to add the side view symbol as well. So it will take a couple of minutes for the image to be uploaded like that. But I'm just going to, once this arrives, so as you can see, it's not fitting properly according to the document like that. So I'm just going to change, just rotate the image like this so that it fits the document like that approximately. And now you can see it now fits, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click on OK and click on OK again. So now that we've got this, I'm going to go to Object and click on Expand Appearance. Once that happens, I'm going to right click on this and ungroup this once, and I'm going to ungroup this again like that, so that I can now individually choose these sides, and I'm just going to change the color to a darker shade of brown like that. I'm going to select all the sides and I'm going to click on Shift plus Alt to resize this a little smaller and then just fit it onto my document like that and like this. And now I can just go ahead and also add the stroke now, and probably also increase the stroke weight a little for you all to see. The stroke like that. Okay, so I'm just going to select, I'm just going to select this and this, and I'm also going to add a drop shadow behind this to give it a more 3D look to it. So I'm going to go to Effect, go to Stylize and click on Drop Shadow. So in the opacity, I'm going to stick to 55% and let all the other settings be the way it is. And I want my drop shadow to be of a black color. And I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. And there you go. Now you can see that a thin layer of drop shadow has been added right behind the packaging layer. So once that's done, I can go ahead, go to File and click on Save As. So by default, my file name is going to be the same as my document name, but I'm just going to change the file name a little. I'll add the word 3D mockup of coffee packaging template, and I'll let the save as type be Adobe Illustrator. I highly recommend that we save a file in this format so that in case if I want to make any further changes, I can easily do that by accessing my AI file. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Save. I'm going to click on OK. So it takes a few more seconds for the Illustrator file to be saved, and once that's done, you can see that the name also gets changed right here. So there you go. We have now successfully made and converted our template into a 3D mockup like this. So you realize how easy it is, but you require a lot of patience and step-by-step visualization of how your packaging is going to look like. So that's it. So now that we have come to the end of our tutorial, I hope you found this video to be useful, and with a little practice you can make such type of 3D mockups for other packaging products as well. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.